Hello, manufacturing folks. So here we are at Jayachandra Friction Management Solutions, and I am having with us Mr. Lokesh Rudraya from LR Bearings and Accessories. Sir, so please let us know your collaboration, with Jayachandra, and how has been your experience and how has been the products which you have purchased from Jayachandra.
Yes, so I come from LR Bearings and Accessories, and I'm a bearing distributor as well. I've been working with Jayachandra from last 2.5 years now. I started my company in 2020. Since then, I've been interacting with Jai Kumar sir and the team of people along with them. And currently, services has been excellent. We have been purchasing different brands. They have a wide range of products, starting from NSK and IKO. When it comes to the range of products, they have ball bearing ranges or spherical roller or even taper roller bearing. They are associated with Timken as well. So we have been buying most of the brands from them, and till now we have not faced any kind of issues when it comes to the quality and service, and we are very happy to be associated with them. They have an excellent team. They have good number of branches and competitive prices, and deliveries are also on time. So far so good. We have been very happy customer of Jayachandra Bearings.
And talking about the bearings industry, as you belong to the industry, I would like to understand, where do you see the future of bearing industry in the upcoming years? Because manufacturing in general overall is going to be at its par in the upcoming years. So where do you place your growth in it?
Look, what I know is bearings is required by all kinds of machinery, be it different kind of industries. So vast number of industries. You take, for example, starting from food processing industries or food equipment manufacturers or even vehicle manufacturers, OEMs, or machine tool industries or crushers. So there are wide variety of industries which requires bearings. So I'm sure bearings is there to stay, and there are even when it comes to electric vehicles currently, I would say even electric vehicles do need bearings, but in lesser quantity. But long term, yes, bearing industry is going to flourish, and also the accessories as well. It is going to flourish in the days to come.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for watching us. Thank you.